What's up, guys? Skidder Rampage here. So we are going to be reacting today to Deku versus Overhaul, and we're going to start it off from exactly when Deku first enters the room in episode 12, I believe. So we're going to do episode 12, and then whatever transpires in 13. I haven't seen it yet. I'm not that great with copyright, guys, so I'm going to try my best to put it on the screen for you guys this time, and we're gonna watch it together, and hopefully the audio in the video doesn't get copyright. I know I'm gonna turn down the opacity and maybe jumble up the audio the best I can. I'm not really sure how that's gonna work. If I get copyrighted, whatever, I don't really care. I do pop content, and this is really the content I do, but you guys want to see this video, so I'm doing it for you. I'm just hoping I don't get copyrighted, so I'm gonna attempt to not get copyrighted. Anyways, I'm super excited for this fight, so if you guys want to watch it with me, the exact number is 11:26 in episode 12. That's where I'm starting from, all the way up until I might edit it, and then only do the fight between Overhaul and Deku, and then not do whatever the ending is and everything like that. So, oh, also, guys, I watched Lemillion versus Overhaul. I wish I recorded that because that fight was freaking amazing. Holy crap. It was not as good as All Might versus One for All, but that fight was pretty close. Freaking Lemillion is insane. But let's get this started, guys. Like I said, starting from 11:26. So I'm super excited. So let's get this. Oh my god. So I already saw Deku's very angry that Lemillion lost his quirk, so I'm super excited. Let's get this going. Alright. Okay, so Deku kicked the spike at him. That's smart of him to do, so he doesn't touch him. It's pretty smart, I'm not gonna lie. I might edit this too, so any filler parts in the episode I'll try to take out my best I can. He throws a chess piece at him. Stand down. He throws those things hard, though. It's crazy. Ooh. Yeah, I can't believe Eraserhead got caught, man. He's going to be the new Eri, hopefully. I'm assuming they're going to take Eri and then take Aizawa to replace her with that. That's crazy. Ah, man. Night Eye's crazy. Over there. Oh. Bro, this is crazy. Thanks for that amusing answer. He's such a douche. Alright. Oh man, his eyes look just like All Might's. It's crazy. Dude, that's a really cool quirk though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, what the heck? He knows every single move they're gonna make for an hour. That's freaking crazy. Foresight's awesome. Man, oh, All Might looks dope like that. Hmm. Man, Gran Torino's old, man. Looks like a granny. Oh, he feels so bad because of me. Oh, man. Oh, no. That's rough. Oh, man, he feels so bad. That'd be crazy if it ended up being his fault. Dude, this guy's tough, man. He's crazy. Oh, Eri feels so bad.
Come on, let's go. I'm pretty sure this will lead us back. We need to get away from Chisaki.
Man, he is bruised up.
That's enough.
Every action you take results in people dying. You're a cursed human.
Oh, man. He got in her head. Oh, oh no. Night Eye. Oh, snap. He got messed up. What the? Dang. Through his arm and his... Ah. He's got a hurt in the arm, especially. Oh, he only cares about them. Dude, he just see Deku's death? What? What the fuck? He just saw Deku get exploded? No. No.
Take her. Get Eri to safety. My whole body's screaming.
What?
I can move. My arms and legs are aching, and I can't keep this up for long. But I can still move.
Oh, snap. Deku's mad. Whew. Okay, 20%. I know he's gonna go full power in this. I just know it. He's gonna have to against Chisaki. Ooh. Deku's about to take the punishment. Oh snap, I'm so scared. Oh, his power went straight through his costume. What the heck? Nah, bruh. Deku's too fast for you. Oh, snap. Manchester smash. Oh, wow. He missed.
The lines of your movements are painfully easy to predict.
Oh, God, man. Wait, what? Whoa, 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 what the f... Bro, you can't just end it. No. No, you can't do that. Oh. 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 What the heck? Everybody's dying and it's just skipping over. What? No. Oh, man, he's so weak right now. I'm sure this man's body is aching, man. Jeez.
Wait for help. Dozens of people are doing everything they can to save you. Just hide. It's all good. You're gonna be fine. Okay? Just go.
Oh, man.
Being able to put myself back
She's...
together again doesn't make breaking apart hurt any less.
Oh, snap. Okay, good. I was like, man, I'm so glad he's not dead. He just got a couple spikes. Thank God. I was about to be mad.
He didn't know when to give up either. Though there's something to be said for a person who refuses to admit defeat. Someone else is about to die because of you. Is that
What the hell?
Eri? It looks like she's at her limit. She's used up all her strength. Fine then. I suppose it's about time for a reset. Let's go back to square one.
He used her all up and then repaired her so he could use her again. That's crazy, man.
I don't want this.
Go back! You need to stay with the millionaire!
Oh, man.
Look at him, injured and alone. You don't really think you can defeat me, do you?
No, I don't.
Smart girl.
Dang. Dang, that is a shot at Deku's pride, man. Bro. Deku, you're not gonna let that happen, right, man?
I want you to make them all better again.
Ah, yes. It's so much easier to be hurt yourself than to watch while others are hurt for you, isn't it?
Oh, man. What the heck? Oh, he's getting mad. He's mad. Oh. Oh, Deku's mad. We got a 1,000,000% smash in store? Oh, Lord. She doesn't want him, but she needs him.
You can't save Eri. I've seen it.
My man's about to prove everybody's wrong. Ooh. Okay. 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 Oh, ah, damn.
I won't let you down, Eri. I'm not letting anyone die. I'm going to save you.
Oh, man. Who's this? Who's this? Oh, it's the heroes. Okay. Alright guys, so this is going to be episode 13. I'm not really sure what happens in this. I'm starting from the beginning if you guys want to watch it with me. Like I said, I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Let's get this going. Alright, let's go. So, oh, also, we have to watch it in subbed because it's only subbed right now. It's not dubbed yet. Holy crap, the life force? That's crazy, yo. Yeah, let's head after a Night Eye. Way after. Drug enhancer. Yep, knew it. Bro, the sub voices, I'm not gonna lie, they're kind of sick. Like, for the villains so far, kind of sick. Still like dub, though. Die, though. Like, I'm so for real. I hope All Might doesn't die. I'm gonna be so mad if All Might dies and be like, bruh, why did All Might die? I don't know. Night Eye's talking about, he's saying maybe his quirk might have, foresight might have killed him because he looked into the future. Maybe kind of like jinxing it. I don't know. I'm scared though. Oh man, if All Might dies, I'm so done with this show. You have no idea. I'd be so mad. Like, Deku better not die in this fight versus Overhaul like Night Eye saw his foresight. But I think what they're doing, is foreshadowing. They're foreshadowing the fact that obviously they're not going to kill off Deku this early. So if Deku can change his fate versus Overhaul, and Night Eye's already seen it with foresight, then that means All Might can change his destiny as well and not die. So, that's all I'm saying. If nobody caught that, foreshadowing. Foreshadowing. So All Might better not die. They better not trick me now. I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing, whoever the creators of My Hero... I don't even know the creators, but... Bro, Deku is going to straight snap in this episode, though. That's all I'm saying. Deku's going to snap. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Life force into energy. Holy, her life force? If, that means if she does too much, she'll die. Feel you up? Oh my god. Come on, get up, Yuraka. Wait. Wait, how is Deku up above? I'm so confused. Plus Ultra. Infinite 100%. So I guess that's what the episode's name is? Okay. Infinite 100%. Alright. If you guys wonder why I do this, by the way, it's because I want to make sure I'm not talking too loud, and this is really loud. Oh, snap. No wonder he was in 2 places at once. Yo. Her quirk is really disgusting, though. I didn't even consider that that would be Toga. All right. But you're a copy. Oh, snap. Oh. Oh. Deku's mad. I'm ready to see Deku straight snap. Oh man, that fight was just intense, guys. All right. Oh, snap. Wait, what? What's about to happen? Oh. Area was even abandoned? That's crazy. Mutation? Interesting, okay. So that's where he got his orders from. Holy crap. The power to rewind? Oh. Oh. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. All right. I like that. That's awesome. Oh, man. This is getting good. Oof. He's in so much pain, too, man. Oh, man. Sad music hit me in the feels. What? She already jumped off. What happened? Why is she back up there?
あの時話してしまったってよ。今度はしっかり掴み続けるんだ。
Oh yeah, he got her.
離さないよ。
All right. Uh-oh.
空中じゃ身動きが
Uh-oh.
離さない。もう絶対に離さない。あんなこともう絶対にさせない。
君はどういうヒーローになりたい？
誰にも心配させることのないくらい必ず勝って
No one will worry about me? Oh, snap. He is straight snapping, man. The fuck he'd go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Holy snap. Did he just kick all of that away? And he has a cape on, kind of like All Might. Oh, holy crap. He straight kicked himself all the way high up. Oh, wait, was that Ares' quirk? I literally can't tell what just happened. I don't know if Deku kicked all that up in the air or Ares' quirk did something. I'm so confused. I'm assuming it's Deku's quirk.
蹴りをしようとして吹っ飛んだのか。オールマイトのニューハンプシャースマッシュみたく不圧で空中を高速移動したのか。カッちゃんと戦った時みたくコントロールがブレたのか。
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, snap. Oh, his leg's done for. I think his leg is done for, man. Oh man, what is happening? Oh, he's smiling. Uh-oh. Uraka's straight snapping too. Man, that thing is straight through him. What the heck is going on? Holy crap. So he's good. I think Eri helped him. Oh, snap. Dude, he's still moving after that too. That's crazy. What the heck, yo? She rewinds humans? Into a monkey? What? That's a pretty cool quirk, I'm not gonna lie. He'd rather lose his quirk than give her up. Oh, that's something she needed to hear. Oh, Deku's gonna snap. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yo, this is gonna be crazy. Oh my god. Bro, Deku's about to snap. Deku's about to... Yo. Oh my god. He looked just like All Might when he was mad, powering up 100%. Bro, oh my god. Ah. God, oh my, he's gonna snap. Come on. Bro, Deku looks amazing right now. Oh my god. Ah, shit! Look at him! Look at him! Oh my god. Yo! He's gone! He's gone. Oh my god. Yo. Whoa. What? The fuck? Oh, he's feeling all that pain. Oh man. Yo, he kicked the mess out of him. Oh my god. Yo. Come on, I want to see Deku snap on him again. That was crazy. Deku, did you guys see how he looked? Whoa, man. That was crazy. That was crazy.
エリの肉体が元である以上、市場を独占支配できる。そうなれば八歳会が再び日本を裏から。
Yo. It's a good plan, though. Man, the fact that, like, a boss like that of an underground, like, criminal ring cares that much is crazy. Oh, he put him in that state. Oh man. What did you do, man? Yo! Oh my god, he looks like a straight god. Oh my lord. Yup. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's so fast, dude. Oh my god. Like, Deku's straight breaking him faster than he can repair himself. That's crazy. Oh my god. Yo. You done, Chisaki? You done? Look at him. He's so angry. Oh my god. He just straight erased this man from history. Yo. Oh my god. Yo. What just happened? See? Foreshadowing. Foreshadowing. Oh, yo, he looks so awesome. I'm done. I'm so done. Oh my god. Yo. It can be changed. I told you. I told you. I told you. Foreshadowing. Yo. Yo. I'm so dead after that episode. I'm so dead. You have... Yo. Why did I put this off for so... What the f... Oh my... I've never been so excited. No, I haven't been excited about an anime like this. Like... I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Yo. What the fuck? Yo! That was freaking amazing. That was one of the best episodes yet. Deku straight snapped like I knew he would. Yo, did you guys see him? Ooh. How do you top that? They just topped the fight between all... No, that's a really good fight. I'd say Deku's fight is definitely second, then Lemillion. Whoa, oh my god. Yo! that was crazy. Oh my! So they foreshadowed the fact that All Might's not gonna die. They're totally gonna change it. Maybe I don't think he'll get his power back, but hopefully he doesn't die. Deku just straight snapped on Chisaki. He's down for the count. They saved Eri. So much happened in 3 episodes. So much. That fight between Lemillion and Chisaki, yo, I was not expecting Deku to look like a straight god. Deku looked like a straight god. Yo. Oh my. God, I'm done. I'm out of words. That's it. That's it for me. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, let me know down below in the comments. Yo. Oh my God. I love this so much. Holy crap. Hopefully you guys enjoy, because my reaction was like not what I was even expecting. Like I went off. That made me so excited. That was, yo. All right. If you guys enjoyed that, please let me know down below. Like the video if you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more reaction videos like this, let me know down below. Yeah, that's it. If you guys recommend something I need to watch, recommend a cool fight that I need to watch down below. Also, I got to do a quick shout out to my Patreons, Captain Pops, Laura Lee, Elizabeth. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for being Patreons, and I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later. Bye.